In this video, we will show you how to duplicate a page in WordPress. To duplicate a page in WordPress, it's very easy. You can go to your post or page. In here, I'm go to the page and we want to duplicate the content of the page here. We click edit button. And to duplicate a page, it's very easy. Just click your three dot button menu in here and select code editor. And in here you have two sections. One is for the title and the second is the content of the page. Let's copy all the content. You can Ctrl+A on your keyboard and right click and copy this, and you can click add new. And in here we need just to paste the content in the code section, and we can have the title, for example, the page copied. And after that we can click exit the code editor, and voila, your page already copy all of the content. That's all tutorial how to duplicate a page in WordPress. Hope this video helpful for you.